Welcome to Car Og 765, the channel where classic beauty meets automotive passion. If you love powerful engines, vintage charm, and stories behind legendary machines, then make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because every week we bring you another piece of automotive history that still sets hearts on fire. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic pickups in American history, the 1955 Chevy Truck. This truck didn't just carry loads, it carried dreams, power, and the true spirit of mid-century America. Let's explore why this truck remains a favorite among collectors, restorers, and anyone who loves classic American engineering. The 1955 Chevrolet truck marked the beginning of a new era. It was the first of the Task Force series, replacing the older advanced design models that had ruled the roads since the late 1940s. Chevrolet took a bold step forward with this design, introducing smoother lines, a more aggressive stance, and the first wraparound windshield ever seen on a Chevy truck. It wasn't just a vehicle anymore, it was a symbol of progress, power, and post-war optimism. Under the hood, the 1955 Chevy truck offered something brand new, the legendary small block V8 engine. The 265 cubic inch V8 changed everything for Chevrolet. With its lightweight design and strong performance, it gave the truck more horsepower, more torque, and a thrilling sound that could only come from pure American muscle. This was the same engine family that would go on to power Corvettes and Camaros for decades. The interior was simple but surprisingly comfortable for its time. Chevy made sure that the driver could enjoy a smooth, confident ride whether on a farm, a construction site, or a city street. The dashboard was stylish yet functional, with chrome accents and clear gauges that added a touch of class to a hard-working machine. One of the most admired versions of this truck was the Chevrolet 3100 series. It became a symbol of reliability and strength. People used it for hauling, towing, and even personal trips. Its versatility made it more than just a workhorse, it became part of the family for many Americans. Today, seeing a restored 1955 Chevy truck on the road instantly brings back a wave of nostalgia. Collectors and restorers around the world love this truck because of its balance between beauty and brawn. The rounded fenders, wide front grille, and chrome details make it look elegant, while its mechanical durability reminds us why Chevy trucks are built to last. Many enthusiasts spend years restoring these classics, giving them modern upgrades like power steering, disc brakes, and even fuel-injected engines, all while keeping that 1950s charm alive. Driving a 1955 Chevy truck today is like stepping back in time. You can feel the craftsmanship in every curve of the steering wheel, the rumble of the V8 through the floorboards, and the solid feel of steel instead of plastic. It's raw, it's real, and it's a reminder of how cars once had personality and presence. Whether it's parked at a car show or rolling down a country road, the 1955 Chevy truck always attracts attention. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of American pride, craftsmanship, and the golden age of motoring. If you're someone who appreciates history on wheels, the 1955 Chevy truck deserves your admiration. It stands as one of the greatest examples of how simplicity, power, and style can create something timeless. Thank you for watching this video on Car Og 765. If you enjoyed this journey through automotive history, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment below about your favorite classic truck, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing stories of vintage rides that still rule the roads today. See you in the next video, where passion meets power, only on Car Og 765.